Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new 2020 and a half Forestriver Vibe 26BH. We're going to take a few minutes, walk you through the inside and then the outside of this new RV. Alright guys, we are now up inside the new Vibe 26BH travel trailer. And as you can see here, we're looking toward the rear of the coach. This is a bunk model travel trailer. So you have your two large oversized bunks in the back, master bedroom in the front, bathroom in the rear, and kitchen living room area is in the middle section here. Sofa is a trifold sofa, so that will fold out, make into a bed for adults if you wanted to sleep a couple extra guests here. Nice large panoramic windows in the slide out area. Now the two windows on the sides of the slide do open up. You have night shades for window blinds there. The windows back there in the bunk section also open up. Storage down below the bunk area. And there's storage from the outside also. Ladder is built in. Electric outlet for each bunk on the wall there. We're going to spin around here and look toward the front. Huge flat screen TV up there. Electric fireplace. Sound radio system there with a couple speakers. Also has outdoor speakers. The large 10.7 cubic foot Everchill refrigerator. This is a 12 volt refrigerator. Has a little latch here that kind of holds it closed when in travel. Put your freezer up top. And then the refrigerator down below. And you have your little controls for the temperature right there. They're using a Furrion microwave and hood range with the LED light and fan built in. 3-burner gas cooktop with a oven. Does have the glass front on it and a little drawer down below. Drawers are full extending, ball bearing drawer guides. A little bit of storage space below the cabinet area. Decent amount of counter space. And they put an electric outlet on the bottom of the counter right there, so you could plug right in up there. The window behind the stove and counter area also opens. The faucet color changed, not a big deal, but they did go to kind of a black faucet instead of the stainless for the mid-year model change. Kind of see the new counters. Cabinet space up here. Does have the Euro hinges on it. Now, there again is a large pantry back here. This is a great place to store all your food, cereal, those type of items right here. Now going back up toward the door area, there is a little cabinet right here, little cubby area here. This opens up. You can store some stuff in here. Pretty good sized little closet. Now going into the master bedroom area, they changed up this door a little bit. This is one of the new pivot hinge doors. And this actually swings around. You can kind of see it there. Electric outlet and USB charger port down there. Hanging closet on the left side of the bed. Overhead cabinets up above. On the right side of the bed, there's just a shelf, little nightstand thing there, but an electric outlet with more USB charger ports there. Window on that side of the bed also opens. TV hookups there if you wanted to do a flat screen TV on this wall. Now the bed does raise up, and there's little cubby things underneath of there, and also some storage back there. And some storage underneath, great place to throw your shoes. They did a little closet back here too. And this area here has another hanging section up here and a light up there. So pretty good amount of closet space for a small trailer or medium-sized trailer. Bathroom again in the back of the coach. Foot flush toilet. Pretty good sized bathroom area here. There's room to get in and out of the shower and get dressed pretty comfortably. Medicine cabinet changed a little bit. Air conditioning vent in the bathroom again. Really nice feature to have. Shower pan's about 4 inches deep roughly. Does have the skylight up above. And they did a new curtain here. Comes across and latches into place. And when you unlatch it, just retracts by itself. So pretty neat little feature. Again, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you're interested in checking out more of my videos. U-shaped dinette makes a bed, drawers underneath. We are going to go to the outside of the camper now. Alright guys, we're checking out the outside of the new 26BH now. And we are going to start here in the back section area here. You can see spare tire mounted on the back. Your detachable power cord hooks up right here on the rear. The camper does come with a power cord. Cable and satellite inlets back here on the back section. Pre-wired for backup camera back here if you wanted to add the backup camera. Definitely recommend the observation camera actually. It works while you're driving down the road along with when you're going backwards. Nice crown roof so it helps with the water runoff. It's not flat up there. Gutters running down both sides of the camper. Does have the 3-inch gutter extensions on it. That stuff's pretty common nowadays with most RVs. Outside utility shower here, hot and cold water. Your city water hookup is right here along with your black tank flush to clean out the toilet tank. Storage underneath of that back bunk section is right there. Has magnetic door holders there. Furnace is located just to the left. That's the exhaust for the furnace right there. Dump area for your gray, galley, and black is all located right here. You can see 3 different handles for this section right here. Slide out is electric. Push a button, it goes in and out. You can see the graphics are a little different looking than the early version. The graphic coloring did change up some. They also started putting these little brackets on the slide outs. Seems like Forestriver is starting to do this on a lot of their models. They're calling it a pre-bracket for slide toppers, basically. Slide topper prep package. There is a second dump up here. And this up here is for the kitchen galley right there. Backing up here a little bit so you can look down the side. It's got the hard fiberglass shell front. LED light strip across the lower section of that. Diamond plate across the front. 2 20-pound propane tanks. Power tongue jack. The unit has heavy-duty scissor jacks to stabilize it. Freshwater tank fills up right here. Storage across the front. You can see the aluminum tube framing there. Some basic information on the camper. This particular unit was built 8/9 of 2019. One of the first mid-year model change versions. You have a gross vehicle weight of 7,835 pounds. That's the hitch weight and axle weight combined. That's the most you can load the camper to before you risk breaking things. The axles are two 3,500-pound axles. So you can load basically your axles up to 7,000 pounds. Hitch weight around 835 pounds. Not all the weight of an RV sits on the axles. That's what that hitch is doing right there, is supporting weight. There is a battery disconnect on the front section now. It's basically a little red key down there. That comes in handy with these new 12-volt refrigerators to shut them down without having to walk back inside the coach if you're putting it in for storage. Awning is power. Push a button, it goes in and out. Has the LED light strip there, and also the adjustable arms for tilting and water runoff. Solar prep, if you do the portable solar panel, located right there. The heavier duty steps. So these steps come down, touch the ground, they hold more weight, and don't shake the coach as bad when you're going in and out of the coach. Both entry doors have windows in them and screen doors. Outdoor speakers. Stove exhausts up there. Little mini outdoor kitchen. So you got a little electric fridge right here. Little hot plate. Little induction stovetop, I guess you'd call it. Little hot plate thing. And you have a sink here. Now there's a little spray faucet thing that actually attaches right here. So you have cold water out here basically. Kind of do your little cooking stuff out here. TV hookups right here for an electric outlet and cable outlet right there. So you could place a TV out here. 6-gallon gas electric water heater right there. On the back of the coach you have your traditional RV step right there. So when the main step goes in, these type of solid steps here, when those steps are in, it makes it real hard to get in and use the bathroom when driving down the road. So it's better off to use that type of step for that purpose. Well, when you're stopping at a rest area, not really driving down the road, but you get what I'm saying. Another new feature for the mid-year model change, they've always had the enclosed underbelly, but now they're adding heated tank pads plus the heated underbelly. So that is a new improvement for winter camping on the coach. Don't forget, guys, to like, share, and subscribe if you are interested in keeping up with more of my videos. Toll-free number 888-417-8299. Thanks for checking us out, guys. CouchesRVNation.com.